Hello, my name's Nige and I'm from Assembled, where we are providing Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 primary assemblies for your school to save you time. These assemblies will enhance both your SMSC and your PSHE curriculum. And this November, we got 5 different episodes for you. Number 1, we're going to be looking at Bonfire Night and the excitement of what happened around the gunpowder plot and the history that took place. Number 2, we're going to help our children honour and respect Remembrance Day and those people who laid their lives down for our freedom. Number 3, we're looking at lessons from the farm. What can we learn around sowing and reaping, but also leadership and how we lead others. Number 4, we're going to be looking at that important subject of anti-bullying and ensuring that our friendships and our school environments are not a place where bullying behaviour takes place. And number 5, we're going to be looking at the importance of road safety. We'd love you to engage, come on board and see what your school can have right in their hands to show the children and save you time.